Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag MySQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a backup script.bat file for the all databases in the one file for MySQL database in Windows. So we'll just write the script.batch file and where all the databases will be backup into a single file. So this is simple coding backup script for that echo op and here I'm just reading the timestamp from OS get LocalDateTime. So for that, and this read variable you be careful for changing, because this here I'll just dbuser I'll just insert. So dbuser I'm using root, and root has all the rights of all the databases, and second is the password. So username password should be correct. If any doubt, then just log in and try the same username and password. And next, create a folder in C drive, MySQL auto backup. So I'm using this folder for the dump error log and backup. So this, for that I'm just using. So I'm going to create into the C drive, right click on that, new folder. I'm just creating MySQL auto backup. Inside the folder is empty now, and error log path, I'm just providing the same path. There is a dump error will be created there. And second, the MySQLDump.exe. Here I have to create the MySQLDump.exe path. So right click on that and just check the path is there or not, correct path is there or not. So MySQLDump, here you can able to see MySQLDump. Let me check. MySQL CD. Yeah, MySQLDump is there. So MySQLDump.exe is there. So MySQLDump.exe, and backup folder I'm giving the C drive, same path. Just now I created the folder, and MySQLDump.exe user is equal to dbuser, password is equal to password, and routine log error I'm just providing here. And all the databases here you have to write for the all databases double dash, and all databases I'm writing here, and backup folder path and all databases given the name, timestamps, .sql file and .log file I'm creating. Okay. So let me check with this backup script. Just from bottom copy up to echo op. Just right click on that and copy, and I'm just going to create one file .bat file. So right click and go and create a new file. If extension is not visible for you, then go to the view of file options, and there is a change folder and search options. Here you have to go to the views and uncheck this one if that is checked, so you will be able to see the extension. So MySQL backup .bat, I'm giving the extension with that. So BAT, there is a batch file, so Windows batch file, you can see that. So right click on that, edit, and I'm just keeping all the codes. So echo up to here MySQLDump.exe. Right click on that. So right click and create an open. Executed. Go to the folder. So MySQL data, all databases are created. So database backup is created now for all the databases, whatever the databases present in my instance. So right click on that. I'm just going to open and check the database. This is the simplest way. Simplest way to check if your database size is small. So right click and open on Notepad. So here just current database. Let me check how many databases we created. Current databases, and find. So current databases previously Chirag DB, then Chirag, then MySQL, then PHPMyAdmin, Pura, then test master. So these are the databases backup. So just check with the databases. So create database is not exist, so there is a test master, and the table structure is already there, and all the data is already there. So in this way we can create the database backup for the all databases in the single file with the batch file. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.